All right, we got a Pixlr tutorial here. You go to pixlr.com/editor, and you're going to either open an image from URL or, in this case, from the computer. So we're going to select this scared cat picture. Oh no, such scared. So first, double-click the background to unlock it, and use your selection tool. You can click on it, and if you hold down Shift, you'll notice there's a plus sign. So you can add more to the selection. You can kind of drag it and see if you can get right around the, oh, that's too much. There we go. And if you simply click delete, it will clear the background. Now what we want to do is we want to open a new layer here. So open new layer. But we want to open an image as a layer. So on this, I've got this scary background we're going to open. All right, and now we need to resize that layer. So if you click on that layer, you can go to image size. You can do it that direction, or you can simply edit, free transform. Now we've got our scaredy cat cut out and pasted on top of another layer. You can obviously do a lot better job on the edges, things like that, but this is just simply how you're going to use the wand tool.